Welcome students, Otari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Here is our next video of production management. So today we learn about measurement of productivity. Productivity is the form of ratio or relationship input and output between. So it can be expressed in the form of P is equal to output upon input. Here I mentioned what mean by P, what mean by O, what mean by I. Actually measurement is very much essential in every manufacturing process because the term measure is actually indicate in unit of goods which is produced or the value of goods and services produced. Generally the input can be measured in terms of work employed or raw material. So measures generally overall productivity with the help of this equation. Means in Japan these measurements resulted very good, even their qualitative product or their product is very much qualitative, means they always use these kinds of measure for their productivity. So it is very much essential that we have to calculate our productivity in each and every part or unit of our production. So there are technical factors included many such as a plant, equipment, machinery, land, raw material, power included coal, petroleum, electricity. So these things are included in our productivity. So we have to calculate this measurement for productivity. Generally productivity suggests equal to net output upon net input, means total factor of our production process. So this is very much essential to take together these input and output in forms of our production. So they will help to calculate our productivity. Generally these all factors of productivity can be split into factorial productivity, such as individual factor of productivity. So we have to measure this productivity in different kinds of parts. So let's see what are these parts. So first one is productivity of labor, means labor productivity. So it mentioned in output which is indicated in unit or value of output divided by number of man hour work, means all man labor work. So it also calculate as PL is equal to O divided by MH, man hour work. So let's see the example. I mentioned here an example of if 20 workers work for 8 hours each and produce 1600 yard of cloth, that is our output, what is their productivity of labor? So we have to solve this problem. PL is equal to output 1600 divided by number of man work hour. So it is 20 into 8. In problem they are given 20 worker which is work 8 hour each. So we have calculate here 20 multiplied by 8. So our answer is 80 upon 8, means we first have to divide it 20 20 divided by 1600, so we get 80, again 80 divided by 8, so we get 20 yard per man hour, means if 20 worker work for 8 hour each, so their productivity of each labor or each man for per hour is 20 yard. Next one is output per man hour. Output per man hour is generally the labor cost per unit can be calculated in here by dividing total wages paid to the worker by the number of unit produced by them during a particular period. So this output of per man hour, which is calculated by total wages paid to worker and their unit produced during a particular period. So here is the example. Before I explain example, I have to note one point here, that total number of worker, their work hours and even total production which is given during that particular period should be taken as a base of output per man hour. So it's easy to calculate our problem. So let's see the example. 300 workers in an industrial unit work 300 hours each a month. The total man hour work in a month will be 300 worker. So 300 work hours of work per worker per month, means we multiply 300 worker into 300 hours, so we get 90,000. So the production during the month comes to 1,80,000 and the productivity per man hour is 1,80,000 divided by 90, so we get 2 unit output per man hour. The next one is productivity of capital. Generally, capital productivity measure the quite usefulness for efficiency of capital employed and finding out the rate of return on capital invested in our business. So, how can we measure our productivity of capital? Then CP means capital productivity is equal to value of output divided by capital investment. I here don't mention any example, it is very easy. Next one is productivity of land. Productivity of land means generally in industrial there is town and cities and land is very much costly, which is very much costly factors also which is involved in our business process. So it is measure the equation, or it is measure the land productivity also. So how can we measure this land productivity? The LP is equal to, LP means land productivity, is equal to total output upon area of land used, means the area which is used for manufacturing. Next one is productivity of machine. Productivity of machine can be measured in terms of machine hours which is utilizing during a given period, like man work hours. So it is measured with machine productivity is equal to output divided by number of machine hours work. So these are the productivity of our man, labor, capital, land and machine. I hope students you understand the measurement of productivity very well. So you are able to calculate this productivity. Please like and subscribe and click on bell icon to get next video. Thank you.